This place is open year-round, and they are offering ski resort food like you haven't seen before. This is Highlands Alehouse.
Highlands Philly for table 26.
Having a great place like the Alehouse at the base of the mountain is a treat for all of us.
Chicken sandwich.
The lift is right there, and this is usually where you come and get the frozen chicken tenders.
No frozen here. Frozen's out there.
Fresh is in here.
Yeah.
Elevating this slopeside menu was a gamble.
Excuse me, ladies.
Taken by owner Kevin Joseph.
Enjoy. There were 6 restaurants in 12 years before I took it over.
And his secret weapon, Chef Miguel Izquierdo, shredding in the kitchen.
Miguel and I get it all day from customers. They're like, wow, the food's actually amazing.
You're a ski resort and it's good food.
Highland Nachos with Carnitas coming out.
We specifically bring people here to try the nachos.
They're loaded, layered, and we love it.
So we're gonna make some carnitas, then we're gonna place those in nachos.
Boneless butt or bone-in?
Bone is the flavor.
Break this down.
Then I salt it
What are we gonna cook this in?
in lard and bacon fat. Cook this one until it's a nice gold color.
This is what we're talking about, that golden brown color.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna squeeze some oranges into it.
You leave the oranges in there, too.
Now the garlic in, stand back.
Careful.
And then we're gonna pour all that water in there. In the oven, 3 hours, stir every 20 or 30 minutes.
Correct.
Got it.
We use fresh guacamole for our nachos.
Fresh avocado every day,
Jalapenos without the seeds.
chopped down nice. Same thing with the onion,
Cilantro, lime juice,
and a little salt and pepper. Delicious.
Money.
What do we got next?
the cheese sauce.
We
Our
got a cheese
fondue.
sauce. Cheese fondue.
Fondue.
You've got roux,
Salted butter, all-purpose flour.
so you're gonna warm the milk up before you drop it in.
Sharp cheddar and asadero cheese. Asadero is like pretty close to Monterey. And then the milk and cheese to the roux.
Oh.
Okay.
We add the chips.
We're making 2 nachos or 1?
It's one nacho, but I would like to get melt like everywhere, you know? So I
Okay.
have to make 2 layers.
So in the oven?
Probably 600-700 degrees right now. Just slice it off. We gotta add some carnitas,
Okay, it just falls apart.
Beautiful.
refried beans,
Oh. A good thing that when you're eating this, you're gonna go work it off on the mountain.
cheese sauce,
And this is just the one beginning layer.
the second one.
You're not gonna get a bad bite.
So we have the Pico De Gallo first,
Need a bigger plate.
fresh guac, pickled jalapenos, and it's with the crema.
Every chip has gotta have the
There you
goods.
have it, yeah.
The way you make the carnitas is really moist.
The pickled veggies are money on that.
Really good guac, too. These are deconstructed taquito.
Yep,
It's got the crunch, it's got the ingredients.
exactly.
This is probably one of the best nacho presentations I've seen, okay?
Killer. One more minute on the carnitas.
It's not just the first layer, you get down into the bottom and it gets better and better.
Can't beat it.
I don't know what's more impressive, the Highland Ski Resort or the fact that a chef from Monterrey, Mexico is blowing it up in here